All right, we're out here, west side of Utah Lake. We're gonna have some fun. We've got Chris's 50 caliber gun out here. You know, everybody's probably shot a 22, about like that. Maybe somebody else has shot, I don't know, 223 or something like that. It's a little bigger. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna blow. Hey! Okay, one thing that we're doing out here is this area, with everybody, it's a pretty popular area. Everybody likes to come out here and do their ATVs, and everybody brings their guns out here to do shooting. There's traffic that goes in and out all along these roads. There's just all kinds of people, so we really have to focus on gun safety. It is absolutely essential that we take every precaution. Hey! Never ever do that. That's what you don't do.
So any comments, Matt? You should tell your wife.
Let's see, I've just about sold all my video games on eBay, so I really can't give that to anybody. You can have my comic book collection. All my other worldly possessions will go to my wife and kids.
Okay, when you do shoot it, make sure you got a good snug against your shoulder. Remember the eye thing, don't get it too close. And the scope, I don't know how close it is, all you gotta do is just get it in the area, that's all that matters. Okay, when you're ready to fire, you gotta cock it, remember? This lever. You wanna cock it now?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay, I gotta bring it down. Okay, it's ready to fire.
Where's the safety? That's like getting in a little rear-ender accident. I mean, the shock wave from that just kind of hits you and throws you back.
Did it make you sore at all, or?
No, it just you can't prepare yourself enough for the way this thing kicks your butt.
Wow.
It's pretty. Oh man.
So you gonna have a sore arm for a couple weeks, or?
No. This thing does the trick.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Shoot it once. Go.
I don't want to.
You have to. It doesn't. It's nothing. It's just an amazing feel.
I'm sore enough.
No, it doesn't hurt there at all. You don't even feel that. Just once, you'll regret it. I promise you, you will. You will.
You'll regret shooting it?
Don't hold it the same way I held it, because now my finger feels like it got busted.
What were you?
Gosh. Yeah.
What were you shooting at?
I was just aiming at the TV, but I closed my eyes. I just went. Oh.
Dude.
Oh.
I got him right in the forehead.
Cool.